In this video, I want to have a look at factorising expressions by taking out a common factor. So let's jump into a few examples. Our first one, we have 5x squared plus 10x. So we're looking for the highest common factor. If we look at the numbers first, we can see that 5 is a common factor. And if we look at the variables then, we can also see that x is a common factor. So our highest common factor is going to be 5x. So if we go 5x squared divided by 5x, we're left with x. And 10x divided by 5x will leave us with 2. So factorised would be 5x outside of x plus 2. A second example, we have 18a squared b cubed minus 30b cubed. Okay, so again, let's look at the numbers first. If we've got 18 and 30, the highest common factor there is 6. There's an a term over in this first one, but there's no a over here, so there's no a's in our common factor. But there is a b cubed in both terms, so we can pull that out as well. So we've got 6b cubed outside of. If we divide this term by 6b cubed, we'll be left with 18 divided by 6 is 3, and we've still got that a squared, so 3a squared. Got that negative there. 30 divided by 6 is 5, and that b squared will cancel itself out. So it turns out to be 6b cubed outside of 3a squared minus 5. Let's look at one last example. This one's got 3 terms in it. So we've got 6ab plus 3a minus 2a squared. Okay, if we look at the numbers first again, we've got 6, 3 and 2. The only common factor there is 1, so that doesn't help us. But the common factor we do have in there is an a in each term. So we're going to pull that a out the front. Divide the first term by a, we're left with 6b. Divide the second term by a, and we're left with 3. And the last term would be left with 2a. So we end up with a outside of 6b plus 3 minus 2a. So those are a few examples of how to factorise by pulling out common factors.